Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable automatic chapters on YouTube videos on your PC. Automatic chapters can be useful, but sometimes you may want to have more control over your video's chapters. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to help you disable automatic chapters on YouTube videos. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio on your PC by launching it from your browser or desktop shortcut. Step 2. Once you're in YouTube Studio, navigate to the Content section. Step 3. Select the video for which you want to disable automatic chapters, and then click on Details to access the video's settings. Step 4. Scroll down to find the Show More option and click on it to reveal additional settings. Step 5. Look for the Automatic Chapters section and disable the checkbox to turn off automatic chapter creation. By following these quick and easy steps, you can disable automatic chapters on YouTube videos on your PC. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials on YouTube and other tech-related topics.